So guys, if you saw our milkshake video, then if you're lactose intolerant, try it, but just don't add about 5 slices of chocolate in there, or 2, or 1. She forgot that she was lactose intolerant. I'm pretty sure it's kicking in for her because her belly's rumbling for more. And mine is as well, and I'm not even lactose intolerant.
It's cooking in.
Yeah.
I hate being lactose intolerant.
She hates being lactose intolerant because it kind of messes with her belly a little bit, and then it like plays around in there for like about 5 seconds, yeah? No, 10 seconds, and it like just messes about.
I also have eczema, and it's really...
Yeah, and guys, so yeah, that's our story, but just make sure the rules are simple. Lactose intolerant, please just like try it, but don't blame us if your belly's rumbling for more after.
I'm
She's going for more.